Welcome to the final part of this series on installing a shower. The first thing I'll do is tape the drain and any shelves, protect the floor, then pop out the wedges and trim any remaining clip fragments. Be careful around the corners of tile when you are trimming the clips to reduce the chance of tile chipping. Some tiles have glue or another material on the face, which is used to help reduce wear in transit. This will need to be removed before starting to grout. When mixing your grout, be sure to not mix it too wet or too dry. Having the proper consistency will aid tremendously when spreading and wiping. Try to only mix enough grout that you can spread in about half an hour to 45 minutes. Fully grouting, then wiping one wall at a time could lead to better results, as if the grout dries on the tile, you can run into issues while wiping. I typically do a pre-wipe where I pay close attention to getting the joints even and smooth, then follow up once the grout has dried more with a clean wipe to remove haze. As you are grouting the walls, make sure any dropped grout doesn't have a chance to dry on the floor. I'd recommend installing the shelf before grouting, making sure to cover with tape. Mixing the grout up slightly thicker when grouting the floor will make it easier to spread, reduce pinholes, and also allow you to start wiping sooner. You'll want to give it about a half hour for the grout to dry before filling any pinholes, low spots, and to clean up grout haze. And there you have it, part 3 done, waterproofed, installed, and grouted. Hopefully you can use this to install a shower on your own, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to the Man Tile team.